There are several ways to monetize your videos, and in this video I'm just going to go over two of the most popular ways to monetize your YouTube videos. The first way is to have AdSense ads on your videos. So if you want to have AdSense on your videos, you just go to your YouTube account and you just join the YouTube partner program, which you can see here, and then you just sign up for that. The other way to monetize your videos is by placing affiliate links in the description below the video. So if you want to do that, you would place an affiliate link. That should be the first thing that you would put in your description is your affiliate link. And what type of things can you promote? Well, you can promote things through ClickBank, uh, Amazon, and also CPA offers. So basically, do your research on which affiliate programs you want to promote. Uh, products or affiliate products that are related to your video, and then just go from there.